This is the first international university in the world. The name Nalanda originated from Sanskrit, which means no stopping of the gift of knowledge. This was built 15 years ago. There were more than 10,000 students and faculty from all over the world. The students who got entry in Nalanda did not have to pay any fees for education or for their boarding. The kings would take care of all the expenses. Education is important, and our rulers knew that. Imagine this being the Harvard of ancient India till the 12th century. The basic purpose of the university was to make a place for meditation, to store and develop knowledge, and yet it was destroyed. Bhaktiyar Khilji destroyed Nalanda University in the 12th century. He burnt many Buddhist monks alive and pushed Buddhism out of India. The loss of this university was not just a loss for India, it was a loss for the entire world. You can say safely this one regressive act pushed us back into the dark age. The library actually called Dharmakunj, which means mountain of knowledge, and it is said that library has lakhs of books. When it was set on fire, it was burning for more than 3 months. All of this was before the printing press was invented. These were originally handwritten books with hardly any more copies anywhere in the world. This was our knowledge. Observation about religion, literature, astrology, astronomy, and medicine, and much more. Nalanda was the proof of our ancient knowledge. What sort of a barbarian destroyed 9 million books? Even today, after excavation and stretching across decades, what you see right now is just the 10% of the university. We are grown in a culture where even when we are studying, we want to underline something in a book. We use a pencil, not a pen. We feel guilty for leaving an oil stain on our book. Keep burning aside when we are done with our books. We don't throw it away. We give them to somebody who needs them. That's how much we respect knowledge. And what happened over here has a lot to do with the people who doesn't respect knowledge. What happened at Nalanda was very sad. The knowledge that we lost over there will never come back. But it's important for you to know that we had a lot of knowledge before the West even had an idea about it. Books are not just pages with ink printed on them. Books are time machines. They tell us about our past, they warn us about future, they guide us in our present.